Just pulled video files off a JVC camcorder and your computer won't play the TOD files? This is a high-definition recording format that needs the right player or a quick conversion. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get those home videos playing in no time. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single TOD file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. TOD files are high-definition video files recorded by JVC Everio camcorders using a modified MPEG-2 transport stream format. They contain H.264 or MPEG-2 encoded video with AC3 Dolby Digital audio captured at resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 and are stored on the camcorder's internal hard drive or SD card. TOD files are high-definition video files recorded by JVC Everio camcorders using a modified MPEG-2 transport stream format. They contain H.264 or MPEG-2 encoded video with AC3 Dolby Digital audio captured at resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 and are stored on the camcorder's internal hard drive or SD card. Historically, the main tool for managing the TOD type has been Videoland VLC Media Player by Videoland Project. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows offers smooth viewing for supported formats, but editing features are limited. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the TOD file and select Open With. If Videoland VLC Media Player is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that associates the file. When your TOD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your TOD file from opening correctly. First, play in VLC Media Player. Download and install VLC Media Player, then open the TOD file using Media, then Open File. VLC natively decodes MPEG-2 transport streams with H.264 video and AC3 audio without requiring additional codecs. Use the video menu to adjust aspect ratio deinterlacing and playback quality settings. Next, convert for editing. Use Handbrake to convert TOD files to MP4 H.264 format for broader compatibility. Open Handbrake. Select the TOD file as source, choose a preset like Fast 1080p30 and start the encode. For professional editing, convert to ProRes or DNx HD using FFmpeg for better timeline performance. Finally, transfer and organize files. Connect your JVC Everio camcorder via USB or remove the SD card and copy the entire BDMV or video directory structure to your computer. Keep the folder hierarchy intact as some playback software relies on the companion MOI metadata files stored alongside the TOD recordings. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.